Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now a little while back, I installed the Custom Dynamics low profile saddlebag lights for my 2018 Indian Chieftain. So now my tail lights are red, the saddlebag lights are red, but my turn signals are amber, which makes them stand out like a sore thumb.
That's hideous.
So today I'm going to be installing the Indian red ProBeam LED turn signals from Custom Dynamics. And I think this is going to make the back of the bike be a little more uniform, and it should look really nice. So let's go out to the garage and get these things installed.
First, you have to remove the 3 bolts securing the taillight assembly to the rear fender. I used a 10mm socket. Then remove the taillight assembly and disconnect the 4 taillight electrical connections, and then remove the taillight assembly. Now you can remove the old left and right turn signals by unscrewing the 6mm bolt. Now install the ProBeam turn signals. I'll use some blue Loctite on the bolts to prevent them from loosening. Now you need to reconnect the electrical connectors. They are marked RRH for right side turn signal and RLH for left side turn signal. Then reinstall the taillight assembly. This is what the rear of the bike looked like before. And this is what it looks like now.
Now I think the back of the bike looks a lot better with all the lights being red. Now after installing the ProBeam turn signals, I installed the Custom Dynamics Smart Triple Play harness. Now this makes the turn signals run red, which gives you a lot more light to the back of your bike, which is always a good thing. It gives the saddlebag lights the turn signal function, and it gives you several brake light flashing patterns. So let's check out this setup after adding the Smart Triple Play harness.
This is the flashing pattern I chose for when I hit the brakes. As you can see, my saddlebag lights now work as turn signals as well.
Man, now let me tell you, I really like this setup from Custom Dynamics. Now be sure to check out the video where I installed the Custom Dynamics low profile saddlebag lights on my 2018 Indian Chieftain. Now, until next time, you got it. Practice, 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 and ride safe.